I'm ready to eat my words. Sometimes you'll just have to be that delusional. If I could, I would write breathing in that to-do list. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am more than happy to do this Monday motivation video, लेकिन ये थोड़ा late हो गया है. I'm very sorry. माफ़ कर दो. I know a lot of you actually look up to the Monday motivation videos because it's just something that we all sometimes need as humans, not as students, not as working professionals, but just as humans to keep going through life. And yeah, I had a lot going on, and I am trying to put out more videos on YouTube, be more consistent, and I'm trying to not make it content. I'm trying to pour my heart out in every piece of video that I'm creating so that we connect on a human level. And as much as we do connect on human level, and the community that we have built by working towards this one big goal of growing together and being our best version, at times we all do face some highs and lows, and growth is never linear. It is always up and down and round, and you go spiraling at times, but it's all for the good. It's all for the greater good. Today's video, I will be telling you all 5 things that have come across my mind, which have motivated me throughout the past few days to keep going no matter what. So, पहली बात, making a long to-do list. Like, I just include everything in my to-do list. If I could, I would write breathing in that to-do list, because at times breathing is a task as well. So, like, bhai, I just can't. And even when I cannot, if I have a long to do list in front of me, I see a few tasks which are easier, some are moderate, and some are severe. So, as much as I like to believe that I would like to eat the frog the first thing, there's a hawker near my place. I'm not sure if you can hear me clearly, but थोड़ा noise आएगा background में, but I think that's okay. You can hear me. Or maybe I can hold my mic like this. So, yeah, as I was saying, that my to-do list has like 15-20 things every day, which includes cut work, grunt work, kaam ka kaam, fizul kaam, all the kaam, everything. And it's important for me to realize that even when I don't want to work, there are things that I can get done. Small tasks से अगर हम शुरू करें तो छोटी छोटी चीज़ें अगर मैं टिक मार्क करती जाऊँ तो मेरे को encouragement मिलता है. Even when I and whining is a big part of my story. I'm not glorifying whining or sulking about things, but at times when I cry about things, I just feel like I felt the feelings that I have for a certain task. For example, if it is hard and I cannot do it, I either want to sleep for a very long time or just like lay in bed, rest, and passively keep thinking about it. So that's one way to go about it. Or the third way is to cry, and crying is the most easily and most accessible. I don't mean like physically crying, but like just like ये नहीं हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है, लाइफ ऐसी है वगैरह वगैरह. बट as much as this is helpful, I also believe in speaking positive words. Even if you're having a bad day, say that, oh my god, this is like such a nice day, and genuinely mean it. Like maybe there's sun shining and you like that little thing about the day, so just mention that, just vocally say that ki ha, today's food was really good, the sun was shining really bright, my makeup was done really well, I was looking very pretty. Maybe 99 things are not going your way, लेकिन this one thing, अब एक plane को जाना है. ये at times it feels like the universe conspires for everything to happen in my favor. You see that? I did that. I just did that. I just flipped the entire narrative. And अचानक से आवाज़ें आना बंद हो गई. It's just magic. That's how it works. It's magic. Honestly, मैं इतना बोलती गई because this was so close to my heart. मेरा सच में कुछ भी करने का मन नहीं था. And I'll give you an example. Like ईद के दिन मुझे पूरा घर साफ़ करना था. One of my friends was coming and we were going to meet Afan, and हम लोग वो vlog आपने सबने देखा है. तो ये दैट डे वॉज लाइक ह्यूज फॉर मी, लाइक मेरे को क्लीन करना है, ये करना है, वो करना है, घर भी जाना है, वगैरह वगैरह 100 काम पड़े थे और मेरे को सब कुछ अचीव करना था. इट वॉज जस्ट लाइक आई वॉन्टेड टू डू इट ऑल, आई वॉन्टेड टू हैव माई केक एंड ईट इट टू. पर उस दिन के पहले तक ना मेरे पास जो होता है ना, एक जोड़ी नया कपड़ा होता है आपके पास फॉर योर फेस्टिवल और समथिंग, मेरे पास वो नहीं था. आई डिड नॉट हैव द टाइम फॉर इट. मैं गई नहीं थी एंड ऑनेस्टली इट वॉज नॉट पॉसिबल. आई फेल्ट लाइक नहीं हो पाएगा. दिस इज वॉट इट इज़. वी गोइंग टू वेयर समथिंग नाइस फ्रॉम लास्ट ईयर एंड दैट्स अबाउट इट. But then I ended up going and buying a beautiful suit जो आपने सबने इतना प्यार दिया उसके ऊपर. It's actually locally bought. अगर मैं उसका लिंक दे पाती तो मैं पक्का देती, लेकिन it was locally bought and everything was so perfectly tied in together. Like I got my earrings which were matching, bangles which were matching. I got such a beautiful mehndi done that night. I was so happy about everything coming together. So this is my second point. My second point is कि you have to have that kind of belief in yourself कि you are a hard-working person and you have put in your 100% and you believe in the goodness that you are, so you're only going to attract the goodness in the world. And there is goodness because you are a part of this world. If you are good, so is the world, you know. Sometimes you'll just have to be that delusional. Yeah, the world is a scary place and it is hard and it is brutal out here. I get it. But fear is not going to lead us anywhere. That being said, I have my third point to tell y'all. Fear is not going to lead you anywhere. I'm ready to eat my words. There are days when I am motivated by the fear of being average, and I think we all have that fear. We all want to be on top of our class, get the best degrees, the house, the wife, the husband, whatever, you know. We just want to check all the boxes and be on top of everything. Like, by straight A student, like through and through in life. Nobody wants to fail, and this is majorly motivated from the fear of not wanting to be an average. I mean, there's no problem in being an average if this is something that you are and you are enjoying. I am nobody to question that, but this is one of the popular notions amongst a lot of people, that motivated by the fear of being average. It's just like, you know, it's nice to always try and prove people wrong and go about कि भाई I want to do this, I will show them. उन्होंने बोला मैं बुक नहीं लिख सकती हूँ, मैं बुक लिख के दिखाऊंगी. उन्होंने बोला मैं ब्लॉगर नहीं बन सकती हूँ, मैं ब्लॉगिंग करके दिखाऊंगी. उन्होंने बोला मैं प्रिटी नहीं हूँ, मैं प्रिटी हूँ, मैं ये दिखाऊंगी. But you know, this kind of feelings, I don't think they are great in the long run. I feel like this is good for like a short sprint, but achieving something is like a big huge marathon. And if you love your craft, if you love taking care of yourself, if you love creating content, you'll be a blogger. If you love taking care of yourself, you'll, you know, that'll show. You'll look beautiful, you'll look pretty, you'll look fit, and that's what matters. And yeah, I mean, at the end of the day, it is the greatest feeling in the world to actually be loving your craft, yourself, because people will like your work later, and that does not matter as much. Because if you are sad at the end of the day, for example, if you're creating content and if you're not creating art, so content probably doesn't make you very happy. It induces a competitive behavior in yourself, and you somehow just try to hop on trends, try to, you know, individualize a trend and just put in the kind of effort where you are not able to express yourself the way you are, because you want to achieve a result which you're very like a very result driven person there, and you're just trying to achieve that result anyhow. And the problem there is with the anyhow. The thing that really matters when it comes to excelling in your own field is loving your work so much that even if there are challenges and there are obstacles, you are just amazed by the challenges and attracted towards them कि okay, how will I solve this, what will I do, ऐसे मैं क्या करूँगा. और वहाँ पे टाइम का सेंस नहीं होता. देयर यू डोंट नीड एनी मोटिवेशन. वहाँ पे बस हो जाता है कि हाँ इसको ऐसे करते हैं, ऐसे करते हैं. आपने सब ने ये फील किया होगा कभी ना कभी कि भाई आई फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई लव बायोलॉजी, तो बायोलॉजी में पढ़ते 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 खो गए, टाइम का अंदाज़ा नहीं रहा. आई लाइक टू क्रिएट रील्स, तो रील एडिट करते 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 खो गए वो. उसको परफेक्ट करने के लिए छोटी छोटी चीज़ तुम उसको ये कर रहे हो, एंड यू नो यू आर जस्ट लाइक going above and beyond to make it perfect for yourself, not for anybody else, and that makes you very happy, and that reflects, and that is the kind of energy people are attracted to. That is the kind of energy people want. At times I'm not able to deliver that energy, and I feel like everybody looks at me like I'm a huge sunflower, but there are days when I'm so gloomy. It's like I'm so sad. I feel like अगर मैं उतने sadness में मेरा चेहरा दिखाऊंगी किसी को, तो nobody would want to look at me, nobody would want to talk to me. That's the kind of feeling I have. But yeah, I'm working towards that as well. I'm trying to daily vlog because I want to be able to vlog, show my face even during when I'm not having a great day, or you know, the ability to capture moments as it is. I want to excel at that and teach myself consistency once again. So yeah, the fourth point, consistency. So we all need to understand in today's day and age where being viral is very very easy. Like there's an algorithm, there's a way to hack it, and there's a way to get viral. But एनी वायरल रील, अगर आप 5 सेकंड के लिए उसको देख रहे हो, 15 सेकंड के लिए देख रहे हो, 30 सेकंड के लिए देख रहे हो, आपको पर्सन का नाम याद है क्या? आपको डू यू रिमेंबर व्हाट द पर्सन डज? आई डोंट थिंक. आई मीन मैंने बहुत सारे लोगों का रील मैं देखते रहती हूँ, पर मेरे को सबके नाम याद नहीं होते, एंड दैट इज़ जस्ट फनी, दैट इज़ जस्ट वियर्ड. व्हेन बैक इन द डे वी यूज्ड टू वॉच एनी चैनल ऑन मतलब एनी कंटेंट बोल रही हूँ, सीरियल या कोई भी गेम शो वगैरह ऑन टीवी चैनल, तो वो चीज़ को हम लोग कितने इससे देखते थे कि भाई अमिताभ बच्चन का आ रहा है KBC, वी नो द पर्सन, वी नो एवरीथिंग अबाउट द पर्सन, वी आर सो obsessed and absorbed by the creators and the producer, director, we know everybody. That's the kind of environment I grew up in, and अभी short form content के वजह से I think the impact is reduced, and consistency leads to forming that kind of impact. For example, अगर तुमको 300 questions करने हैं एग्जाम डे पे, force yourself to get to 500 MCQs per day. होगा नहीं हो पाएगा तुमसे. There are going to be days where you are going to be like 500 MCQs कर लिए, हो सकता है उस दिन पे तुमने शॉर्ट सब्जेक्ट लिया हो, छोटे छोटे MCQs करके बहुत सारा. There are ways to achieve 500 MCQs, okay? अगर सिर्फ नंबर फिल इन करना है while actually studying, तो there are ways to achieve that. You've done that on certain days, but certain days पे नहीं हो पाएगा. लेकिन अगर उस दिन तुमने 300 MCQs भी करे हैं और वो अच्छे से करे हैं, that is what matters. And on an average 500 MCQs और 300 MCQs से एवरेज निकालेंगे हम लोग. There is a difference between quality of work, and you need to achieve that quality on a day to day basis. जितनी बार तुम उसको रिपीट करोगे, जितना ज़्यादा तुम कंटेंट डालोगे, जितना ज़्यादा तुम MCQ सॉल्व करोगे, the better you will get at the craft, because it's like a back and forth with the universe. जितना you will put out stuff, the more data points you will get back कि हाँ, this is working, okay, this is not working, okay. And there are a set number of mistakes that we are all supposed to do before we finally hit the hammer and you know succeed. That is the number of failures that we all have to achieve. और हम लोग जितनी जल्दी वो fail हो जाए, I'll give you a very nice example for this. I read it somewhere. अगर you were supposed to get your first job after being rejected 200 times, how fast would you want to be rejected 200 times? Just tell me that. Just like think about it. 200 rejections. You will be like हाँ ठीक है, 2 घंटे में 200 rejections कर दो, है ना? But otherwise जब तुमको ये बात पता नहीं है कि 201st job interview पे I'm going to get my job, you're going to be disappointed and disheartened, and it is going to be hard for you to keep going through the 200 job interviews. But that's the kind of positivity you need to create the opportunity, to create the momentum to keep going for the 200 job interviews. I hope I'm making sense to you. Yeah, so we covered to-do list, we covered motivated by the fear of being average, we covered believing in the goodness you have in your heart, we covered power of consistency, and yeah, there's this last one which is my favorite, like it's my ultimate favorite. So for example, I feel like I'm a messy person and I'm not a morning person. Now, this is the reality I have made for myself. Like, Conan is a messy person or Conan is not a morning person. So, I'm going to ask myself, is it true? Do I wake up early in the morning if I have to go for like an early flight, or if I have to go travel, go hiking or whatever? I'm like, yeah, I do wake up. Do I wake up for my work, for my OPD, for example, or for an early shoot for that matter? Well, I do wake up. And do I clean up my house when I need to get things done? Yeah, well, yeah, I do that. So every time you question your own narrative, it creates a new reality in your head, a new reality about yourself, and that increases your motivation and increases your development, because now you're challenging your own beliefs and you're telling yourself that no, I'm not a loser, I'm not a failure, I'm not an unclean, untidy person. I am a organized person, and what is it that I need to do to being an organized person? I just need to do this. So ये 20 minute का काम है, and 20 minute every day. When can I schedule this? Can I pair it up with a podcast or maybe like an audiobook? How do I make it productive? What is it about this particular task that turns me off, and why am I not able to do that? So these are the kind of questions you have to ask yourself to change your own reality. And honestly, anything is possible. Yeah, there are days when you're going to feel like everything is against you and nothing is working out, but I feel like you just need to be kind to yourself and to everybody else, and remind that the nature is such that everybody is struggling, and they are all here with you to support you in achieving your greatest dreams. It's not like कि they don't want you to win, or somebody's out there, getting at you. It's not that. You just need to keep moving on a day-to-day basis. Whenever you feel low, try to get like a nice nap, try to learn something, try to maybe walk it out, maybe like a nice mental health walk, or maybe घर के घर में चल लो, and try to finish those 10K steps. Try something, try thinking about something that matters to you in that moment, which you can do, which you have control over. This is the bonus tip, okay? So try doing something which matters to you and which is in your control, while everything else that is beyond your control is kind of ruining your mood, or making you less energetic than that you are, because the energy is kind of driving you, right? So yeah, and there was this one point I recently had written in my journal कि आई एम अ वेरी इमोशनली ड्रिवन पर्सन. सो अगर कुछ अच्छा हो गया तो फिर मैं बहुत सारा काम कम टाइम में कर लूँगी, अगर कुछ ख़राब हो गया तो फिर मैं 2 दिन तक सोती रहूँगी. वेरी इराटिक, वेरी बाइपोलर लाइक दैट, बट नॉट टू यूज़ दीज क्लिनिकल टर्म्स वेरी generally, but like I just trying to explain what I feel. So I have tried to depersonalize things, like get my energy from things that I know sure shot will give me energy, and not be dependent on how humans in real life would react to things, because they are humans. They also might be having like a bad day, or they might be struggling with something, and there are going to be times when they won't be able to reciprocate to you in a way that they were known for, and that is going to hamper your energy as well. So you need to be kind in that moment and try and be there for them while protecting your own energy. And yeah, working on yourself and helping each other is what we're here for. And I hope this Monday motivation video, although a little bit late, was helpful to each one of y'all. And if you have any questions, make sure you drop it in the comments, and subscribe कर लो. बहुत जल्दी हम लोग 2K subs पे पहुँच जाएंगे, तो बहुत सारा प्यार देते रहना. मैं ऐसे ही अलग अलग तरीके से वीडियोस बनाती रहूँगी. आइडियाज़, कमेंट्स, सजेशन, सब कुछ कर सकते हो तुम लोग, ठीक है? यू नो दैट. एंड कमेंट में रैंट भी कर सकते हो. दैट्स योर सेफ स्पेस. सो या, लॉट्स ऑफ लव. सी यू ऑन द अदर साइड. बाय.